living in the present moment. Close your eyes for a moment and transport yourself to a life where every breath is a cosmic dance, where each passing moment is a cherished masterpiece, and where the heavy chains of past regrets and future anxieties hold no dominion. In this captivating chapter of our Zen Odyssey, we extend a heartfelt invitation for you to step gracefully into the warm and loving embrace of the present moment. Here, in this sanctuary of time, we shall explore not just the act of existing in the now, but the art of thriving within its exquisite radiance. Zen whispers to us that the present moment is where life unfurls in all its splendid magnificence. It is a treasure trove of experiences, a canvas upon which our existence is painted with vivid, irreplaceable strokes. Even the most seemingly mundane moments are imbued with a unique beauty and profound significance, like rare gems hidden in plain sight. Yet, amidst the whirlwind of our daily lives, these treasures often go unnoticed. Zen teaches us not to only notice, but to fully appreciate and savor each and every one. Our pilgrimage toward the present is often hindered by the weighty baggage of past regrets. These regrets are like shadows that linger, haunting our thoughts and imprisoning our spirits, preventing us from fully engaging with the here and now. Zen extends a hand of compassion, inviting us to acknowledge our past mistakes and missed opportunities without judgment. It gently reminds us that the past, once etched in history, is unalterable. By releasing our grip on these burdensome regrets, we unshackle ourselves, and like a bird set free, soar into the boundless sky of the present. To truly embrace the power of living in the moment, we must master the art of quieting the restless mind. Zen provides an array of techniques and practices, with mindfulness meditation being one of its most profound gifts. Through this practice, we learn to train our minds, honing the skill of focusing solely on the present moment. It is akin to a gentle lullaby, silencing the ceaseless stream of thoughts that often whisk us away from the now. It is within this tranquil space that we uncover the profound transformative potential that resides within each moment. Equally demanding is our propensity to be ensnared by worries about the future. We project our fears and anxieties onto events that have not yet unfurled, creating a tempest of unease that obscures the clarity of the present. Zen calls upon us to release this mental tempest, urging us to have faith in our ability to gracefully navigate whatever challenges the future may bring. It reminds us that by nurturing our inner strength and resilience in the present, we are well equipped to navigate the uncertainties of tomorrow with grace and fortitude. Throughout our journey, we shall uncover an array of practical techniques and exercises, each a precious gem, each a guiding light. These are your companions on the path, your trusted lanterns in the darkness of the past and future. From the rhythmic cadence of mindful breathing to the vivid awareness of your surroundings, these tools empower you to forge a deeper, more profound connection with the magic of the present as we venture deeper into the essence of living in the present moment, prepared to be not just emotionally stirred, but profoundly moved. Zen's beauty does not dwell in grand gestures, but in the simplicity of being fully present. Join us on this transformative expedition as we unlock the serenity and unbridled joy that can be found by embracing the unparalleled power of the present moment.